Sanibona bafethu njani niyaphila? Asithembe niyaphila umfowami Mkhonzweni ubingelela emva kwesikhashana singekho together la. Siyabonga kakhulu maniphila. Siyabonga kakhulu. Cela ukwamukela onke ama-new subscribers to this channel. Ngamukela ama-new followers ku TikTok. Thank you so much for being here and supporting our channel. Siyabonga kakhulu. Bese ngicela if you haven't subscribed now, please subscribe because it's free. Just press subscribe sikhulise le channel yephambili. Siyabonga kakhulu ke bafethu. Sorry, kuyale bafethu. Yilokhu nalokhuya okusibambile. Kodwa ke asithembe niyaphila la sikhona. Futhi sisazoba khona. Namanje ngiyaphuthuma ngithi angidlule nje ngisho ukuthi ma MK members umzabalazo uyaqhubeka, i-campaign iyaqhubeka. I-MK Party is the only hope njengamanje ekhona endlini emnyama. So asiqhubekeni singapheli imali singadikibali. Siyeni phambili. U-Deputy President ke omusha we-MK Party uComrade uDuduzane Zuma usekubeke kwacaca ukuthi kulabo mhlawumbe abanombono ukuthi njengoba seloku kuba nama constant changes emkhontweni, kuloko kushintshwa ubuholi now and then, khona abathi lokho kubonisa ukuthi MK Party ayina stability noma iyantengantenga. Uyakucacisa ke uComrade uDuduzane ukuthi abanombono ofana nalo basephutheni noma banephutha aba-understand ukuthi i-MK Party isebenza kanjani. Uyakuqinisekisa ukuthi ukushintsha kwezikhundla ke-MK Party kunika wonke umuntu oza ku-MK Party i-picture yokuthi uma ngabe eze emkhontweni ngenjongo yokuzochitha isikhathi noma ukuchitha isizungu, engeke enze umsebenzi, engeke enze i-service delivery, leyo muntu kufanele a-understand ukuthi emkhontweni akekho umuntu one-permanent position. Kuyaxoshwana futhi la emkhontweni mangabe umuntu engenzi ngendlela e-right. So njengoba kushintshwa key'khundla uyayisupporta leyo nto eyenzakalayo ku-MK Party uDuduzane ukuthi iy'khundla ishintshwe uma kuwukuthi lokho kuzosiza i-organization yephambili. Yiloko nje akushoyo ngoba kunabantu abaningi njengamanje, even ama-analyst mayengena laphayana kuma-channel amakhulu echaza ukuthi i-MK Party seyishintshile futhi ubuholi bayo kuyakhombisa ukuthi le party angeke uyethemba ayina future. No, kukhombisa ukuthi ine-future because yenza izinto ezi-different kwezamanye ama-organization, because it doesn't mean ukuthi uma ngabe ususesikhundleni kufanele ukuthi noma ukuba kwakho kuleso sikhundla kungasayisizi i-organization, kufanele uyekwe nje uhlale lapho. Kodwa kufanele ukuthi ushintshelwe kwenye position noma i-MK Party kubeke la icabanga ukuthi ungaba usizo ngakhona ifake omunye umuntu. So yiloko nje stability ngokusho kuka first Deputy President uDuduzane uyakuqinisekisa ukuthi is on the right track MK Party ngendlela eyenza ngayo in terms of ukushintsha izikhundla. Akukho nje okuningi engakusho nje sengiphetha ukuthi labo abangenele ukuba ngama-councillor candidates e-MK Party kulo khetho siya kulo komele baku-understand lokhu ukuthi ku-MK Party noma ungakhetha ube yikhansela le-MK Party, yebo uzobe uvotele umphakathi, kodwa iqiniso lokuthi izobe lo mphakathi uzobe ukuvotele under i-umbrella ye-MK Party, angithi. Therefore which means uzobe ulawulwa ngama-guidelines e-MK Party. So uma ngabe uzokwenza okuphambene ne-MK Party, MK Party izokufaka indlela, kungasho lutho ukuthi ukhethwe umphakathi. Uma nje wenza okuphambene izokufaka indlela. Yilokho okufuna uku-understand. Mhlambe ubungavele ungene as an independent candidate uma kuwukuthi mhlambe uzophila impilo yakho ofuna ibe independent without instruction from the party organization MK Party. So yiloko nje ukuthi baka-understand ukuthi kuyaxoshwana la, kufanele ukuthi indlela yakho iqonde ngempela futhi uzimisele ukusebenza. Yiloko nje ake simuzwe uComrade Duduzane naye ivideo yalandela. Ngicela uma subscribe siqhubeke sikholisele le channel, sohlangana ngama-comments nanguma-video alandelayo. Thank you so much.
The changes speak for themselves, and I think this is what makes more people engage and have confidence in our party. Because what we're saying is, for those that are not able, those that are not capable, not willing to stand up to the task, the next better man will be welcome. You know, we're not going to tolerate incompetence. We're not going to tolerate what would be people who are not able to get us to a point where we're delivering services to our people. So when we speak about the changes, it's less of turmoil, it's less of any dissidence in the party. It's just basically us saying, if you're not up to the task, please remember, and that goes for all, rank and file. We want the best of the best for this party. So when we take over government, we're in a position where we say we have people that have the capacity to run these institutions, whether it's municipalities, state-owned enterprises, as well as the government as a whole.